Want to change the speed of your track in FL Studio? In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the tempo of your song in FL Studio in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First up, open FL Studio and import any tracks that you want. Once you've done it, we need to search for the tempo changer. On the top that is located right here, you can see the BPM, that stands for beats per minute. This is how you control the tempo of your song. To change it, just hold the number and drag it up or down. As you can see in the waveform, the song is lengthening and stretching. This is how you change BPM. You can either right click and also see many options for BPMs from 80 to 160. You can also type in value that is located right here and type in your own value, let's say 150. And that's it. It's easy as that. You can see the waveform changing every time and change the BPM. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.